We are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer, one-touch windows, 2. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.